Hi guys, so we're here at Walmart. We'll check again if they do have stocks. This is a different Walmart. Let's see. I don't think there is here. There's not much here probably. Most of the people are going here too. These are their main lines. As you can see. Yeah. They haven't restocked their stuff here. Got that one already. Oh. I don't see any premiums as well. Only got this, the Forza. Not much here. So yeah, I don't think it's worth it going here at Walmart Northland Village because they don't have any as of now, Monday. Or maybe try checking different days like Thursday or Friday or Sunday. Maybe they have something new here. But as of now, as I've said, they don't have any here. Nothing. Even on the neon speeders, they only have this one. This the usual suspect that we can see on different Walmart. I might check different Walmart as well today. They got this. That one. Let's see. Yep. Reads. Transfer it on the other side. Yep. So yeah, after our Walmart run, we decided to go here at Toys R Us Brentwood, and we're gonna check what do they have for us in this store. Probably they're trying to restock everything every Thursday, so still the same thing here. Not much. Yeah. So we got this one already as well. That's it. Oh. Bugatti. Might as well pick this one up. Yeah, the rest are the same. We'll pick this one. Bugatti from Forza.